Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, today discuss here a very important. This body is designed here easily and clearly, and this body is a exhaust manifold design. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design is this is a very easily designed here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, all view is present here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view this is a 2D drafting is available here. And this body is this is a final product design here, and this body is designed help of this 2D drafting, and all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter. And this is a this body is designed, and this body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a final product, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And all view is looking perfect, and this body is very helpful. This is a manifold, exhaust manifold. How to this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here. At first, some setting is very important, and setting is a first is a this is a plain white, and some going to document property and use a image quality is very high, because this body is looking perfect. And some use a 2D drafting, and how to this body is designed. At first, this is a drawing here, and this is a this center point to center point distance is 136 millimeter, and this big circle is radius is 52 millimeter, and diameter is a 104 millimeter. And this circle is a drawing here. This is a small circle is 17, dia is 70 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16 millimeter radius, means this is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter diameter. This is a correct, and this angle is very important, 38-degree angle. At first, drawing a front plane, and create a some center line, because this is a use a reference point only, and this is a some line is a drawing here. And this angle is a 38-degree angle, and this line and this point is a coincident. And this line and this point is also mid plane. This is a correct, and some angle is a 38-degree angle. This is a very important. And this is a center point is drawing a circle, and this center point is a drawing a big circle. And again select this both. Drawing this small circle is drawing here and correct, and both circle is press a control button, and both circle is select here and use a equal. And connect to each. This is a connect, all is a connect to a line, and all line is a tangent. This is a very important point is discussed here. And last is a connect to this point to this, and this is a tangent. Okay, and okay, this is a diameter is defined, and this center to center distance is 136, and this big circle is 104 millimeter dia, because this radius is 52 and this is a radius is 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, this is a defined this center point to this is a 136 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a diameter is 32 millimeter, and this big circle is a diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And you can see here, this is check here, this center point is a tangent, and also all point is a tangent, because this is a not tangent. The select here, this is a this two line, press a control button and both is selected and use a tangent. Okay, and also this is a use a tangent. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. And some use a trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a cut out, because this is a not usable, and some extra part is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, all is perfect, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is a 10 millimeter is perfect, and 10 millimeter is a correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And again select this face, sketch normal, and again this is a cutout is a this cutout is 17 millimeter dia both side and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, drawing a big circle, and big circle is this, and a small circle is a center point, this to this, because this is a cutout. And again select a both circle, and circle is a equal, and okay, may align a dimension is this is a 72 millimeter, and this is a 16 millimeter cutout. This is a diameter is 16 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use a through all, and okay, this is a looking very nice looking here. Okay, and next point is a this is a all point is discussed here, and okay, this use a pattern, and pattern is a this distance is 132 millimeter, and this is a 3, pattern is 3. And at first select this sketch normal and draw a reference line, means this center line is drawing here, because this line is only reference line. This use a horizontal. Okay, and this line and exit, and use a pattern. Pattern is a linear pattern, and this is a line is select here. Okay, and use a bodies, and select this, and this distance is a 132 millimeter. Okay, and this is a use a click this reverse direction, and then use a okay, this is a use a spacing and instances, and this distance is a this bit two body is distance between 132 millimeter, and this pattern is 3 pattern. Okay, all is perfect, and this line is a hide. Okay, all is a perfect, 3 line is correct. Okay, next point is a this is a correct, and next point is a drawing this body, and this body is a the 176 millimeter is a use a top plane and use this body, and this body is this circle is this big circle is 120 millimeter, and this point to this distance is 50 millimeter, correct, and this point to this distance is 140 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and this a small circle is 12 millimeter. Okay, and some use a top plane, and use a plane is created here. Okay, and this plane is distance is a 176 millimeter, and direction is flip offset. Click OK. Okay, and this use a 176 millimeter. Okay, some line is drag here. Okay, and this plane is a sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and a reference line is a drawing here, and reference line is a this use a center line, connect to this, and again a line is drawing here, and select a mid line and draw a vertical line is drawing here. Okay, and this line is a small. Okay, all is perfect, and this plane is a use a. Okay, and this plane is a use a this is a hide. Okay, this line is a hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and drawing a circle, big circle is drawing here, and this distance, this diameter is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a this point to this distance is a okay, this distance is a 140 millimeter, and correct. Okay, 140 millimeter, and this small circle is a diameter is 12, and this distance is a center point to this is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 140 millimeter is correct. Okay, and all is fully defined because this is a perfect, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this is a blind, and use a this thickness is 16 millimeter because use a this thickness is 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And again select this sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and cut out circle is a okay, and this is not mentioned here, but this cutout is a 72 millimeter dia is perfect. This diameter is a 72 millimeter is perfect because all is looking perfect, and use a cutout, and cutout is a through all. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select a sketch normal because this is a use a pattern, and a circle is drawing here. Okay, at first create a line. Line is a center line. Okay, this line is drawing here, this to this, and click a small circle. Circle is a this, and align a dimension. This diameter is a 12 millimeter, and this center point to this distance is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and this use a black color means this is a fully defined, and use a this. Okay, this small circle is 12 millimeter, and this distance is 50 millimeter is correct, and extrude cut and align a through all, and click OK. Okay, and again select use a pattern is circular pattern, and this use this and click this, and this use a feature is this, and okay, this is use a 360-degree angle, and pattern is 8 and equal spacing, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, but some point is very important discuss here. And next is drawing a pipe is connect to this body to this. This use a very important, and this distance is 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter, and this use a fillet is use a 98 millimeter, and this use a 68 millimeter, but this is not mentioned here, and some missing point, and use a fillet. Okay, and this is use a 3D sketch. Some point is discussed here, and 3D sketch, and drawing a 3D sketch, and this use a very important. Click a line is a drawing here, and at first select this circle is drawing here, and this line is a this to this. Okay, this is a perfect line and correct, and some is drag here. Okay, and again select a line and click this, and this point to this is a center, and use this to. Okay, this not okay, some use okay, this is a perfect. Some use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a line, connect to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a very important, and again align a dimension. This dimension is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this diameter is 56 millimeter. Okay, but some point is a drag a below side, and some is drag a. Okay, connect to this point is connect. Okay, and some use a very important a fillet is a this is a use a 68 millimeter, and this use a this, and okay, and again select a 98 millimeter, and this use a this. Okay, okay, all point is correct, but this part is drawing here, and again select a sketch, and this is a drawing a profile, and use a convert entities, and this use a exit. This path is the profile here, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing this, and use a extrude swept boss base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is click this. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this use this. Okay, and same here. Next is a drawing here. Use a 3D sketch, and again drawing this. Select this. Okay, line is select here, and this is a, and this is a correct, but this point is a vertical and not mentioned here, and this use a press a tab then use a vertical line is okay. Press a tab, and next okay, this again select a, and this use a center line, and okay, this is use a, okay, this is a vertical line, okay, some drag here, and again select a line is a this connect to this, okay, and this align a dimension is the same here, 106 millimeter, and this use a 56 millimeter is correct, okay, but some point is both side is a drag here and connect to these two, okay, this use this, and again select this point to this, okay, and okay, connect to this, okay, this is a perfect, okay, and some use a fillet is a 96 millimeter, connect to this, and 68 millimeter fillet is this point to this, okay, this is a okay, and this path is also drawing, and this exit, and again select this sketch, and drawing, again select this, and use a convert entities and exit, both is okay. This profile and path is drawing here, and again use a swift boss base, automatic profile is select here, and this use a path is this, okay, this is a perfect, and click okay, okay, and last point is also drawing here, this use a 1 by 1 because this use a 3 pipe is drawing here, and okay, again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and select a line is a this, okay, this center point to this, and this automatic this vertical, and okay, this is a perfect, again select a line is connect to this point to this is a vertical, and okay, okay, this is a perfect, and connect a line this point to this, okay, but this is a okay, and use a fillet is a this, okay, some use a line dimension, this diameter is a 106 millimeter, and this diameter is a 56 millimeter, okay, and some use this drag here, and use this circle is this, but this point is this, okay, this is point to this, okay, this point and this point is a use a merge, okay, but there's some missing, okay, again this delete here, and click a line is connect to this point to this, okay, this point to this is a okay, some point is a not okay, this is a fault, and again select this, and this point is a okay, this is a use, this is also delete here. Okay, and this point is also okay. And okay, some point is drag here, and okay, some point also, this is a delete here, and again select a line and use this center point. Okay, this center point is this line is okay, this is a perfect, and use this center, connect to this point to this. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and use this 56 millimeter and some use a connect to center line. Okay, okay, and some use a fillet. Fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is created here, and this black color means this is fully defined. And some use a profile, this sketch normal, and this use a convert entities and exit, and use a swept boss base. This profile is automatic, select here, and this path is a click this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and some material is apply here, and material is a use a metal, and this use a chromium. Chromium is this. Okay, and nickel is also, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better, but some important point is discussed here, and use a cell. Cell is a 1 millimeter, and select this face, and this is a use a 3, and use a okay. This use a cutout is very looking nice here, and also all point is correct, but all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is 1 millimeter, and select a 1 by 1 and click a fillet. Fillet is a this sketch 1 millimeter is, and also back side is a select this, click OK, and again select a fillet, use this to this, click OK. Okay, and again select a fillet. Fillet is a this to back side, select OK. 1 by 1 is select here because okay, and again select a fillet is click, and this is the side is click OK. And some use a okay, all is perfect, and some use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is a at first select a chamfer because this use a fillet. Okay, not usable where because at first select a chamfer. Chamfer is okay. All fillet is a use here correct, not Okay, all is perfect, and okay, all his body is drawing here easily and clearly, and all is perfect, okay, and this body is design looking perfect, and all is perfect, and correct, and isometric view is also drawing here, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, and guys, all point is drawing here, and this use a exhaust manifold is design here, and okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a eye bolt design. Okay, today discuss here a eye bolt design easily and clearly, and this body is useful, and this is a very useful and helpful, and this is a very useful lifting. Okay, this product is very helpful lifting any body. Eye bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here all point is one by one is discuss here. And guys, this is a today drafting is also available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a final product body is design here, and this eye bolt is designed easily and clearly, and this thread value is also available here. Okay, and this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is looking perfect, and looking very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a click a part, and some setting is a at first setting. Okay, going to document property and image quality, and this image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this circle. Okay, a small circle is 22 millimeter, and this distance is a 52 millimeter is height, and again select this diameter is circle, and this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, use a top plane. Okay, and draw a circle is a this. Okay, and this circle is a 22 millimeter, and extrude boss is apply here a 52 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and apply a material is a this nickel is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a this diameter is 8 millimeter 18 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this length is 2 millimeter. Okay, and again select this face sketch. Okay, this face sketch normal, and drawing a big size. Okay, and this diameter is a 42 millimeter. Okay, Okay, and okay, this diameter is 42 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 18 millimeter and 8-degree drafting. Okay, okay, and use a extrude boss, and this length is a 18 millimeter and 8-degree drafting. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, correct and perfect. And okay, all is perfect. And then next is drawing this rounded. This radius is 36 millimeter and this radius is 29 millimeter, and this diameter is 7. This okay, this diameter is a 72 millimeter and this is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and use a front plane sketch normal and drawing a two circle is this first and then second. Okay, and at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, and align a diameter. This diameter is a 72 millimeter and this diameter is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 38. Okay, all is fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect. This is a 38 millimeter is length center to this point center, and this diameter is okay. And use a extrude boss and select a mid plane, and this 16 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 7.5 millimeter, and click this edge and this edge. Okay, not use this 7 millimeter is correct, and select this edge to this edge. Okay, and select this edge to this edge is this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a okay, some point is this point. Okay, and some radius is a change here, and this radius is a okay, this is 32 millimeter is better, and click OK. Okay, again select this 46 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here. 46 millimeter is correct, and again select this 40. Okay, 44 millimeter is okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, some missing point. This is a 44 millimeter is this is a this circle is not this. Select this circle. Okay, no problem. And select some. This fillet is 5 millimeter is fillet, and this is a fillet is 4 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter. Okay, this fillet is a 5 millimeter, select a 5 millimeter and click this. Okay, and again select a this and select a this to this, click OK. This is a perfect, and again select a fillet is 4 millimeter and select a this to this. OK, and click OK. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter and this fillet is a this. Okay, 1 millimeter is this. Okay, very okay, all is perfect, and again select this chamfer, it is not okay, and next is this thread is a 52 millimeter and this is a 3 millimeter and M27. Apply here, thread is apply here, this length is a 52 and click this 52 millimeter and select a 48 millimeter better, and M27 and metric to die. M27 a pitch is 3 millimeter and offset is a this offset is a this is a 4 millimeter and direction is upward, 4 millimeter and direction is a outside. Okay, and this is a 52 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, click OK. And some time is spent here because this is a active process is working here. Okay, this is a very looking nice here, and this thread and some color is a change here, this to black and this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric view, this color is very nice. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design. And this is a flange bolt. Okay, this is a flange bolt design is, and how to this body's design easily and clearly. And this is a all 2D drafting is also available here, and today discuss here one by one all 2D drafting, and one by one is all process is learn here and how to this body's design easily and clearly. Okay, okay, and this is a final product, and this is a flange bolt design, and okay, and this is all size, all 2D drafting size is given here. And okay, let's start here one by one all design, all measurement is learn here, and this product is design. Okay, okay, and this is a product is design here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, 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 all is a correct and perfect. Okay, okay guys, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first part is select here, and some setting is okay, and this is a document property, and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay. At first drawing this hexagon, and hexagon is 19.5, and this circle is cut out is a 18.2. okay, at first drawing and this length is 12. Okay, plane is use a front plane, and drawing a hexagon is this. Okay, and this length is a vertical. Okay, and align dimension, this dimension is a 19.5. okay, this is a perfect. And extrude boss apply here, and this thickness is 12. okay, and this thickness is 12, and this is a blind. Okay, all is correct, this is a perfect. And select back side, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, and this circle is a this is a circle is diameter is 13, and this length is a 48. Okay, this circle diameter is 13, and use active extrude boss, and this total length is 48. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some use this chamfer is used here, and this chamfer is a 1 mm and 45 degree angle, and this fillet is used a 0.8. okay, and this fillet is used 0.8, and this is a use this 0.8 is a 0.8 is perfect. Okay, and this is a use a chamfer is a 1 mm. Okay, and 45 degree angle, use a this, and click OK. And material is apply here, this is a nickel, and polish brush is perfect. Okay, and okay, next is this cutout is this. Okay, this circle is drawing. Okay, at first cutout is this cutout is this circle is 2 mm, and this length is 1.7. okay, and use this okay, use a right plane and sketch normal, and use a 3-point arc, and select this point to this point, select OK, and connect to this point to this. Okay, and both line is equal. Okay, this is a perfect. And this okay, and this diameter is 2 mm is perfect. Okay, and not a fully defined because this point to press a control button, and this is a vertical. Okay, this is a fully defined, and this use a extrude cut, means revolve cut, then use click a center line and draw a origin, because this center line is a axis of revolution, and this is use a X to revolve cut, and use a revolve cut. Okay, this axis is axis of revolution, and automatic this axis is selected, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Okay, at first this is a delete here. Okay, this is a perfect. And use a axis. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, this cutout is a very nice looking here. Okay, and next is a select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is a diameter is 18.2, because this is a drawing a circle, and inside a circle 18.2, and this thickness cutout is a 1.87, and use a extrude cut. Okay, and this length is a 1.87 is correct, but some increase point is also perfect, but this is a 2.87. okay, 1 millimeter is add here, this is a missing point. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 2 millimeter, and click this, click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a use a this and okay, all is perfect, and then use this 5.2 millimeter and this 14.2 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter use here, and this. Okay, use a top plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and this point is draw a line is this, and use a this, and again this line is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and some line is a drag here. Okay, and use a this tangent arc and connect to this to this. Okay, and mention, align a dimension. This dimension is a 14.2. okay, this is a 14.2 and this is a 5.2. 14.2 is perfect, and this dimension is 5.2 is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this is a 40. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, not 40, this is a delete here, because this distance is a 0.8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and again draw a circle. Circle is this, connect to center point. Okay, draw a circle, connect to center, and this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a fully defined, all is a correct, and use a use a revolve boss. and the connect, select this. Okay, this is a, at first select this and okay, this and this and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a perfect and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a this 2 mm and 1 by 1 all is select here. Okay, this to this and click this and click OK. Okay, this is looking very nice looking here, and perfect. Okay, and all is drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and then use a thread. Thread is a this length is 38 mm and this offset is 2 mm, but some added here increase, and 1.5 this is a okay. And this 1.25 is pitch. Okay, and click a thread. Thread is this is a 38 millimeter and click this edge. Okay, and this metric die is correct and size is a 1.25 and this is a perfect M12 1.25. okay, correct and perfect. M12 1.25 is better, and this is a okay. Offset is a this 3 mm and direction is upward, and this is 2 mm is perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a 40 mm is better. Okay, and 2 mm offset and 40 mm is correct, and metric die size is M12 1.25 and this is a correct cut thread and right-handed thread. Okay, okay, some little time is spent here because this thread is active process is working. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking very nice here. Okay, and some thread color is change here because this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a looking very nice here, and okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a okay. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a foundation bolt design, and this bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed and all is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, and 2D drafting is this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is one by one is learn here and how to this body is designed. And this is a use a all dimension is millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. This length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27, and offset is 6 millimeter is outside. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is designed. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this. Okay, today discuss here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and some setting is very important, plain white, and some use a going to document property, and this is a image quality, and this is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select this distance is this center point, and this distance is 286 millimeter, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this circle diameter is radius is 30 millimeter, and this radius is this diameter is 21 millimeter, and okay, this is a fillet is used 22 millimeter, and this thickness is 36 millimeter. Okay, and this use a chamfer 2.5 millimeter 45-degree angle, and use a thread, and this thickness is a 21 millimeter, and this diameter, and this is a same. Okay, at first select a plane, front plane, and a line is a drawing here. Okay, and this line connect to this. Okay, and a line is a connect to this line is this, and also a line is a drawing here this. Okay, and center line is a draw here. Okay, this is a center line is this, and click a circle is okay, and this two line is a tangent, and also this two line is a tangent. Okay, this to this. Okay, this point and this line is a tangent. Okay, this is a perfect coincident. Okay, and mention. Okay, this dimension, this radius is a 30 millimeter, and this length is okay, this radius is 30 millimeter. Assign dimension is this radius is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and some fillet is used here. Some fillet is used this sketch fillet, and click this is a 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, and okay, and some use a trim is this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is also this. Okay, delete here. Okay, and assign a this distance is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this is a 286 millimeter. This is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 76 millimeter. Okay, and this total distance is a 286 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect. 286 millimeter is total distance, and this is 76 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this radius is a diameter is okay, this is a perfect, because this radius is 30 millimeter, is diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is perfect and correct, and this is a tangent is okay, and this is a delete here, and select this point, and this line is a okay, this line and this line is a tangent. Okay, 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 all is perfect. Okay, and this is a 286 millimeter, and this is a 36. Okay, all is perfect, and then exit. Okay, and again going to create a plane. Plane is this to this. Okay, because drawing a circle, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 21. Okay, okay, and exit, and use a swept base, and automatic this profile is select here, and path is a select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, and this body is a hide. Okay, this is a perfect, and some chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a this 2.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this chamfer is used, and both side 2.5. this, click this, and click this, and click OK. This chamfer is used, and material is apply here, and this is a polished nickel is used. Okay, and this body is design. Okay, and next is a use a thread. Thread is a this thread value is given here. 126 millimeter is length, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is 27, offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, and active a thread, and use a this, click a this, and length is 126 millimeter. Okay, and isometric die is perfect and use a M27 and 3. Okay, M27 and 3 is a okay, this is a perfect M27 and 3 is correct and this offset is a 6 millimeter is outside, 6 millimeter is outward. Okay, this is better. And 126 millimeter, this length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 and okay, all is looking perfect and correct and okay, this is a cut thread and use a right-handed thread. Click OK and apply this thread. Some little time is spent here because this thread value is this thread active, all process is active. Okay, some little time is spent here. Okay, this is a perfect. This thread is created here and some color is changed here, some dark black. Okay, some little dark black. Okay, this body is looking perfect and this thread is a very nice looking here and this body is also created here. Okay, okay guys, all process is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.